Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning call. Let us start with the technical morning call first. Yesterday in Nifty, we saw that the index witnessed another day of positive correction post the lunch session, which made it ending up at around 25,180, which was closed at around 25,200 zone, with bias slightly weakened and the near-term support position at 25,100 levels. Would definitely need a revival to maintain the bias for the positive side. Although the overall positive bias is still maintained, we have a major support placed at around 100 DMA level, which comes at around 24,900. Before that, 25,000 psychological level can also act as a good support zone. On the other hand, a positive breach above 25,500 levels could definitely establish certain type of conviction on the positive side, wherein we can see a positive uptrend in coming days, which can take the Nifty until 25,700 levels. Keeping your targets until 25,700 could be an ideal part on the Nifty. Intraday side, today we can see that the Nifty is about to open on negative note, and we can witness slightly negative bias throughout the day. Wherein the support side, the support can be placed at around 25,070, where closing below that 25,070 levels can further take down the Nifty until 24,970 and 24,900 mark. On the other hand, the resistance level is placed at around 25,260 levels. If it closes above that, we can witness it going more until 25,350 levels. Coming on to the Bank Nifty side, Bank Nifty acted contrary to Nifty, well, it gave a positive closing yesterday. We can still conclude our bias, but staying cautious, although it is being placed or trading on the sideways side. The immediate support is placed at around 55,440 levels. If it breaches that level, it can fall until 55,170 and 54,900, 940 levels. On the resistance side, we can see the resistance acting at around 55,900 level. If it gives a closing above that level, we can surely see Bank Nifty going and crossing above its psychological level of 56,000 and reaching up to 50,100 levels. Coming on to the stock specific side, Deepak Fertilizer has given a good bullish flag pattern breakout where an ideal entry could be placed at around 1520 and 1515 zone, where we can place a stop loss at around 1470 with targeting at around 1650 levels. Another stock is in the copper. In the copper is also seen giving a positive breakout from its daily chart pattern of cup and handle, where an ideal entry could be placed at around 305 and 308 levels, where we can keep a stop loss at around 290 with profit targeting at around 340 levels. So that's all from the technical side. Let me go forward the call to the derivative front.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as I mentioned yesterday, that Nifty is likely to face some supply zone from the upside levels. Currently, in yesterday's session, we saw that in the first half, Nifty managed to show some selling pressure, but still we are witnessing that in the as per the OI positions, 25,000 to 24,800 strike put at positions are holding strongly, where we can witness the support being taken and on the upside till the time Nifty is not going about 25,500 level, where call writer positions are standing intact till that point of time. We will witness market to remain in this range of 25,500 to 24,800 to 25,000 mark is a supportive base on the downside. So currently, whomsoever is having the long position should hold with the strict stop losses. On the stock specific front, on the index specific front, we should wait for any new long positions on the downside in today's session. Once if a Nifty comes near 25,100 to 25,050 range on the stable front, after that new long positions can be created, as we are seeing that gift 50 is likely to open below on a negative front of around 60 to 70 points. So while opening of front, we will witness some selling pressure, but if Nifty manages to hold the supportive levels on the downside, then again the recovery will be witnessed. While there is not much of another change on the data front, it remains the same as from the last 4 to 5 days of trading session. As we have seen that from last 5 days or 4 days of trading session, continuously from the upside levels, the liquidation has been witnessed on the index specific front, but on the market wide front, we are seeing that the setup seems to be on the positive front, and the buying will be stable once if Nifty manages to get stable about 25,500 level. Till that point of time, range one momentum will be witnessed while going ahead. While in the stock specific front, counter that looks positive today's session will be Motherson Sumi, Ashok Leyland, and Angel One looks positive. While on the negative front, Blue Star, IGL, and Emphasis looks negative. So that's it from Reddit front. Thank you.
Good morning. Two IPOs are opening for bidding today. The first company is Chain Resource Recycling Limited. The issue size is of 1,250 crores. The market cap post issue will be 8,006 crores. The public issue consists of offer for sale aggregating up to 750 crores and a fresh issue up to 500 crores. The net proceeds will be utilized towards prepayment or repayment of borrowings worth 375 crores and the other for general corporate purposes. About the company, Jain Resource Recycling is a part of Jain Metal Group, is diversified recycler of non-ferrous and precious metals with strong export orientation. Backed by global scrap sourcing and value-added recycling, it focuses on sustainability, efficiency, and quality, positioning itself as a key player in India's circular economy. The company is on a strong growth path with revenues more than double from 3,000 crores in FY23 to 7,100 crores in FY25, alongside margin expansion and profits nearly tripling. Asset turnover has improved to 4.31 times, reflecting better efficiency, though cash flows remain weak due to high working cycle capital needs. Compared to the peers, the company delivers superior returns with ROCE at 24% and ROE at 31%, well above average. It is trading at an attractive EV by EBITDA valuation of 22.5 times versus 34.5 times for the peers. Given its strong growth, efficiency, and attractive valuation, we recommend a subscribe to this issue. Other company that is opening for bidding today is BMW Ventures Limited. The issue size is of 232 crores. The market cap post issue will be 858 crores. The issue consists of fresh issue of 232 crores, and the utilizations will and the funds will be utilized for prepayment or repayment of borrowings and other general corporate purposes. About the company, BMW Ventures is a diversified company engaged in trading and distribution of steel products, tractor engines, and spare parts, along with manufacturing PVC pipes, roll formed products, PEBs, and steel grinders. It has a strong dealer network in Bihar and caters to institutional clients for PEBs and grinders, supported by a focus on quality and timely delivery. The company shows stable operations but thin profitability, with the revenue at 2,000 crores for FY25 and margins remaining low. Cash flows have improved in FY25 for the past after the 2 years weak, but efficiency ratios have declined. The company is valued at 11 times FY25 EV by EBITDA. While operations remain stable with some growth visibility, persistent thin margins and weak return ratios continue to constrain the company's overall financial strength. Considering these factors, we have assigned a neutral rating to this issue. One IPO of company called VMS TMT is getting listed today. The total issue size was of 149 crores, which was entirely a fresh issue. About the company manufactures TMT bars for the construction sectors. It is based out of Ahmedabad and it mainly sells under the retail license with Kamadhenu, supported by 3 distributors and 227 dealers. The company has improved profitability through better cost and operating efficiency despite weak growth. However, high leverage, stretched working capital, negative cash flows, and weak asset turnover continue to weigh on its financial profile. On the valuations, the company is trading at 14 times FY25 EV by EBITDA, significantly above the industry peer average of 7.9 times. Given these factors, we had assigned a neutral rating to this issue. Thank you. Commodity team can take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, some profit taking expected in gold and silver. Though for a pullback, one can initiate a buy in gold around 1,13,100 with a stop loss of 1,12,800. On upside again, it can test 1,13,800 to 14,000 levels. So accordingly, for trading purpose, one can initiate a sell around 1,14,000 and maintain a stop loss of 14,400. And in silver too, expecting prices to test 1 lakh 33 800, 1,34,000, whereby one can buy for a pullback and maintain a stop loss of 132 800. And for trading purpose, one can also sell around 135 700 with a stop loss of 136 700. On the metal fronts, copper, one can buy on dips, wait for a dip around 909 908 levels and initiate a buy with a stop loss of 904. On upside, expected to test 913 to 16 levels. And zinc 2 looks positive. Buying is recommended around 278 with a stop loss of 276. On upside, we are eyeing for 281 282 levels. And in copper, in crude, uh, one should wait for a dip by around 56 20 5600 and maintain a stop loss of 5520. On upside, it can test the resistance area at 5750. And in natural gas, we are expecting uh, prices to pull back if prices are sustaining about 255. So if sustains about 255, then initiate a buy with a stop loss of 248. And on upside again, it can test 265 to 70 levels. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.